Lacamas Leopards, it's Mrs. Mueller, and welcome to our character assembly for October. Say goodbye, Spot. Boys and girls, we don't get to be together, but we're still going to have a character assembly to celebrate our first month of September. Now, during this assembly, we're going to do a few things. First, we're going to make sure that we celebrate those students who showed our overarching goals for this year, which are our character traits of respectful, responsible, safe, and kind. Way to go, kids, for this first character award. We're also going to do our Spatcha drawings. And so if your name is drawn for Spatcha, we'll have 10 winners. We'll make sure that you get a prize either in your Friday pickup or we'll make sure it gets to you. We're going to also introduce some new students to Lacamas. A few of our new students, we're going to share who they are with you and a few of their things that they're interested in, their hobbies, and a little bit about them. And we're going to wrap up our assembly with a dance tour. You heard me right. Spot is going to take us on a dance tour. This month, our character trait is perseverance. So kids, you and your teacher, you're going to be talking this month about perseverance. And what does perseverance mean? Perseverance to me is having the growth mindset that's kind of grit, meaning that you stick with it. Even if things are hard, you learn how to take small pieces, small chunks, make your goals, and keep at it. Now, lots of things in life take extreme amounts of perseverance. Here's a few. Learning to walk. Yeah. As a toddler, can you imagine if that little toddler didn't have perseverance to keep pulling themselves up, to keep moving around, doing that hands and cruising around the coffee table or the couch? Perseverance. Learning to ride a bike. That took perseverance. Oftentimes a lot of scraped knees and getting to ride the bike. Perseverance, learning how to read. How you put those letters together. All of these pieces take perseverance. Multiplication, a lot of perseverance. And that was a hard one. Boys and girls, there's a lot of things that we just have to keep practicing, keep working at that we might not have yet. But it's perseverance when we keep pushing, we keep moving forward, and that we keep going, I might not have it yet, but I'm going to keep at it. So this month, perseverance is our character trait. So with that, let's dance our way out to our next section.
Because we completed our first month of virtual remote learning. Well done, everyone. I want to take a moment to recognize our students that have been working really hard the month of September on being respectful, responsible, safe, and kind, starting with our kindergarten.
For kindergarten, in room 102, Arabella and Cruz, and in room 103, Cato and Avery. First grade, in room 122, Bentley and Catherine, and room 123, Lexi and Landon, and 124, Hudson and Asher. Second grade, in room 132, Logan, Liam, and Annabelle. In room 133, Bailey and Samuel, and room 134, Ronan, Joseph, and Logan. Third grade, out of room 231, Gus, Lucas, and Elise. In room 232, Logan and Madison. And room 233, Aaron and Caden. Fourth grade, in room 223, Lily and Kate. In room 224, Aria and Regan. And room 225, Gabe, Mason, and Allie. And fifth grade, in room 203, Ava and Ryder. In room 204, Skylar and Emma, and Allie. And room 205, Kendall and Adele.
Great job, everyone. See you later.
Hi, Lacamas Leopards. I'm Mrs. Norgard, and I'm here to do our spotcha drawing this week. Do you know where I'm at? Yep, if you guessed Mrs. Laux' library, that's where I'm at. And the monster here is going to help me. So he has gobbled up some names, and I am going to let you know who is the winner of this month's spotcha drawing. If your name is chosen, then you can expect to receive a special treat. So let's see. We have Stiv in room 203, Braylin in room 102, Mikey in room 123, Liam Hoffman Hicks in room 205, Avonlea in room 124, Aria in room 224, Ivana in room 134, Maya in room 122, Autumn in room 223, and Rory in room 132. Lacamas Leopards, keep up being respectful, responsible, safe, and kind, and maybe I'll draw your name next month. Until then, bye-bye.
We know that being a new student can be difficult, but especially during remote learning. So we want to take a moment to highlight some of our new leopards this year and share a little bit of information about each of them. Welcome to all of our newest leopards. We are so excited to have you as part of our Lacamas family. This is going to be a great year.